So you're interested in three-phase motor controls. Smart move by you. And why is it smart to know about three-phase motors and how to control them? Well, think about this. Factories, commercial offices, farms, laboratories, universities. All these places are packed with three-phase motors connected to all kinds of equipment. So guess what? If you've got your three-phase motor control knowledge up to speed, you're an in-demand individual. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to take this, the three-phase motor, we're going to get to know it a little bit, and then we're going to use all these parts to control it. We're going to design and wire up 7 essential circuits to boost your motor controls knowledge. DOL, reverse, on delay, off delay, star delta, mixed voltage, and DC injection braking. And you'll also learn some cool tips and tricks along the way too. So if this sounds like you guys, jump in there and I'll catch you in there. Cheers.